Hey guys, how are you doing today? Welcome back, or welcome, whichever applies to you. I appreciate you clicking on this video today, and we are going to be opening something that looks a little weird this month. This is my Yes Oh Yes for July 2019. Normally it comes in a colorful bubble mailer like this. So this is a little bit new and plain for me. Anyways, let's get on into it. I'll tell you, Yes Oh Yes is a monthly reoccurring beauty subscription. I think it runs $14.99 plus you have to pay for shipping, which is kind of different in the subscription box realm that you pay for shipping, but all in all, this one comes in at under 20 bucks a month. So I think it's pretty decent. You get a lot of indie brands in here, but let's see what we got. Dump it all out. Okay, so first thing I see is, we should have a card. We always have a card. Here we go. So this is our card. It's Reach for the Stars. And then on the back it tells you about how much you saved. And we saved 89% this month. So that's pretty cool. There's also a link in the description if you want to get this bag. I think it gives you like 10% off or something. It is an affiliate code, but don't feel pressured. The first thing I see is this Double Dare 4HD Sleek Eyeliner. It's kind of a strange packaging. Can you see that? And then over here. So it's okay. So it is a looks like a stiff felt tip. Oh, it's not too stiff. It actually kind of does give a little bit. And it's pretty black, so that's awesome. Very cool. Interesting. And it does look like it's trying to be matte, so super sweet. The next thing we got is in this crushed box from Bodyography. Professional Cosmetics long wear eye pencil. So we got another eye pencil. This one says it's in Deep Violet. I have no doubt that this got crushed because of the packaging that it was in. It's like they just squished too much into that tiny package. But that's okay. So it's a Deep Violet pencil, and it is a gel pencil. It's a sharpenable gel. We're going to swatch it right here. I love a creamy purple eyeliner, and that is really nice. I like it. I like it a lot. Next, we have the Sormé Nonstop Liquid Lip in the color Ribbon. I can tell you right now that this color is the exact same color as my skin, so I'm not going to be opening it and swatching it just because I know that I won't be able to wear this without looking like I have no lips at all. So I'm sorry about that. It does say it is a matte, long-lasting matte effect bold lips. So, and this is the color right there. So I'm going to set that aside for someone who might be able to use it. Next up, we have an Up in the Clouds sheet mask. So that is nice. It says it's infused with hyaluronic acid to refresh, plump, and hydrate the skin. So that's pretty cool. I love me a good sheet mask. Y'all know already. The last thing in this is the Annette 69 and Beauty Creations collab for the palette. This is, of course, cruelty-free, and here's what the palette looks like on the inside. We're going to slide it right out here. Okay. So this is actually kind of a hefty palette. Alright, so we have a decent sized mirror there. I'm going to flip that upside down and pull up the plastic sheet. And this is what this palette looks like. So we've got two pressed glitters. No, that's a shimmer, not a pressed glitter. But this color Leo is a pressed glitter. And then the rest of these square pans are shimmers. And then the hearts are also pressed glitters. So that's exciting. It looks like you could do some fun looks with this palette. I'm going to take some swatches here and just see what we can do with some of these colors. So I've got shade 951, which is the gold pressed glitter. color 6. Let's see, the color Dinero. And let's go ahead and do Leo because I am a Leo. And the color Leo is very strange. It actually is like more like a cream shadow. Very strange. Maybe it's not a pressed glitter. I'm confused by that one. So we have the gold pressed glitter 951. This is 6. This is the green shade Dinero, and then this is that Leo that I thought was a pressed glitter, but it's more of a cream. It's kind of chunky, but not really. I don't know. I'm intrigued. I like it. So that's what we got in our box this month. All in all, you know what? I think it's okay. There's only one thing that I'm not going to use, and that's purely on color preference. So totally awesome. Totally worth the less than 20 bucks that you're going to pay for this bag, in my opinion. Let me know. Let me know also, what do you think? If you got this palette, what do you think of this shade? I'm kind of confused by it. I don't really know. Anyways, thanks for stopping by, guys. If you'd like to subscribe, the button is right down there. And then any comments, feedback, concerns, anything that you might have, go ahead and leave those down below. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.